Hi Lindy, this is Paige Wilson at Taylor Parker Motor Company in Sandpoint, and this is the 2006 Dodge Dakota that we talked about on the phone. I'll give you a good look of the exterior and then we'll go inside. I'm going to give you a close-up of the tire so you can see their condition. There's your trailering system. And here's the tonneau cover that we talked about on the phone. It does lock, so it is secure. And it's on a hydraulic system, so it's easy to open, easy to close, and you can take this off. This is not a permanent fixture. There's the lined bed. Now we're going to go around to the passenger side of the truck. All right, now for the interior. This middle armrest also folds up to the third seat in the front. Okay, now for the back. Just want to show you a little bit of wear there. I'm just going to show you the roof. And one final thing, the back seats flip up. All of them do, so that you have extra cargo space in the back should you wish. Alright, I'm just going to walk around to the passenger side really quick, give you another look at the passenger side. It's in really good condition. I just want to show you a little spot I did find right there. It looks like that's something we can get out, and I'll go ahead and try to do that before you come down should you wish to come and see it. Alright, Lindsay, if you have any further questions or if you'd like additional footage or close-ups of anything, let me know. I'll be talking to you soon. Thank you.